Now, the judge, Dan, telling Brooks yesterday to ask relevant questions to witnesses. Now, his response was saying that he is new to this whole process. How do you feel Brooks is doing in representing himself?
Well, I don't think he's doing a great job. You can't expect somebody to walk into court and know how to try a case. You can't expect somebody who doesn't have an articulated defense to put forth any type of reasonable defense. And so the fact that he's complaining that he doesn't know the rules of evidence, well, too bad. You fired your lawyers the week before trial. They certainly knew the rules of evidence and could have proceeded in a professional manner. He can't have his cake and eat it too. He wants to represent himself, but somehow be held to a different standard of courtroom decorum and rules. And the judge correctly tamped that down and told him there would be no special rule for him.
Now, I did want to ask this before we let you go. Is it possible that Brooks has had help when court is not in session? I mean, things like court jargon, objection rules, things like that. Is it even legal for him to get any help?
Oh, sure it is. He can talk to what we would call the jailhouse lawyers, other inmates in the Waukesha County Jail who may think that they know what's going on in court and be able to advise him. We learned during the pretrial litigation that he was receiving letters from inmates in other institutions. So especially around this sovereign citizen idea that he keeps putting forth that the judge is rejecting rightfully. It certainly seems that he is getting some type of help from other inmates.
All right, Dan Adams joining us live. Thank you so much for your time and your insight.